Hey everybody, it's day 118 of the 154-day work week. I've got your Divisional Cup standings as well as a thought for you. A lot of movement last week in the Divisional Cup leaderboard. We are at week 5. It means we've got 5 weeks left to go. It's halftime and the leaderboard is super tight. So I've got your standings from last week, your standings overall. I've got your challenge for this week in the Divisional Cup and a thought for you. If anybody was at the TSB in Ontario, so for everybody that was there and saw a good friend of mine, Matt Como, speak, a former franchisee, someone that I was franchisees with. I had a chance to chat with him and catch up a little bit today. For those that saw, we're both wearing our shirts in our meeting here today. So I guess it's an inside joke for anybody who was there and listened to Matt speak. But really cool thought. We were talking about it, and we were talking actually a lot about where you're at in the business right now and how some people can start to get complacent, kind of convince themselves that things are okay, that they're happy with where they're at, which is fine. Some people should definitely be happy with where they're at. But what I'd encourage you to think about is the way that you do something is likely the way that you do everything. And you've got an opportunity right now to do something really cool, but to do that really cool thing, you got to cross the finish line. It kind of fit to what I was talking about yesterday, but nobody being proud about running a 23-mile marathon when the race and what they set out and their goal to do was 26 miles. 23 miles is a lot longer than a lot of people can run, but it wasn't the goal. So make sure you cross the finish line. Make sure you do what you're doing to get yourself there. You will be a heck of a lot more proud at the end, and you're giving yourself the opportunity to learn how to finish something, to learn how to cross the line. So that's the thought, but you've got your Divisional Cup. Again, a bunch of people have been asking me about it. So the Divisional Cup contest from last week was dollars per estimate. So the number of dollars that you were able to book per estimate that you did. So coming in 7th with $110.38 per estimate. Eastern Ontario in 7th. In 6th were the FAs. In Ontario here, $118.67 per estimate. BC in 5th with $122.10. Real tight in 4th with $123.79 was the Macintosh division. In 3rd with $132.95 was the Belfoy division. So nice job, Lauren and team. In 2nd, Prairies. So the full-time teams all headed out to the Prairies. So at $229.56. Nice job there, Prairies. And number 1 spot with $260.90 per estimate. So almost $300 an estimate booked last week was the Ferroni division. So great job, Ferroni division. Really put it down. So that's got your leaderboard completely shaken up. So in 7th with 32 points is the Macintosh division. In 6th with 33 points, we've got a tie between the Prairies and the FA group. So I guess that's technically tied for 5th. So only 1 point ahead. And then in 4th, we've got the Belfoy division, only 2 points ahead at 35 points. Team BC with 37 points in 3rd. And in 2nd, well, there is no 2nd because we got a tie for 1st between Eastern Ontario at 39 points and the Ferroni division now at 39 points. So again, Ferroni division at 39, Eastern Ontario at 39, BC at 37, Belfoy division at 35, FAs and Prairies at 33, and the Macintosh division there at 32. 1 week can change everything. You just saw it this week, a lot of shake up there. So make sure that you're pushing towards it. Your contest, your competition to really focus your business this week is a balance again between production and marketing, but marketing is still by far the biggest thing for 99% of you out there. So what we're going to do, it's going to be pure points on jobs booked and jobs produced, but giving twice as many points to those jobs that are marketed. So marketing, every job you book this week per person in the division is 2 points. Every job produced is 1 point. So if you have 10 jobs, let's say 30 jobs booked per person, let's go big, that'd be, 60 points. And then if they produced, if per person, that division, say 50 jobs per person, would be another 50 points. So that's how it's going to work this week. 2 points for every job booked, 1 point for every job produced. Total points on a per person basis per division. We'll take leg 6 of the Divisional Cup. It is halftime. It is tight. I hope you guys had an awesome Monday, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.